Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be driving over Mount Rosser. We are in Yuatan heading up to Mount Rosser. Now Mount Rosser is probably the most popular hill or mountain in Jamaica. When going from Kingston to Ocho Rios, this is the main road you have to take unless you're going over the highway. So you have to go over Mount Rosser. And Ocho Rios is one of the most popular places in Jamaica. So I guarantee you every Jamaican has heard the name Mount Rosser or they've driven over it at one time or another. So this is the Yuatan town center, and Yuatan is in St. Catherine, and this is where you start the journey up Mount Rosser. So you go through Yuatan and then you go over the hill, and there is Mount Rosser straight ahead, and we're actually going over that hill now. It's going to be it's a very scenic drive, but okay. On the right is the Yuatan police station. Yuatan is a small town, maybe more considered a district. You have a lot of restaurants, bars, supermarkets, shops, gas station on the right. That's the Yuatan market on the left. A jerk center, restaurant. There's a bakery on the left. Yuatan has a bauxite plant, the Yuatan Works, and so all of this infrastructure is to support the plant, and you have a very large residential area in Yuatan, a lot of homes. So this town center is just to support the residential part and the factory, the Yuatan Works. Alright, so we are going up Mount Rosser now, and there's another very nice view of the hill or the mountain straight ahead. As we were saying, another reason why Mount Rosser is so popular is because the road is narrow. So if you buck up one of those 40-foot containers, one of those trailers carrying the 40-foot containers, this road can be blocked quite easily because of the traffic. Now the worst nightmare you can have is if you have one truck going up and one truck coming down, and they both buck up on a corner. This road can be blocked for hours. So that's another reason why Mount Rosser is so popular, because I'm sure everybody can remember a story of when they were caught on this hill and the road was blocked. Alright, so we're starting up Mount Rosser now, and you see how narrow the road is. Now there is an alternate route to Mount Rosser, which is the highway, but it's a toll road and it's a very expensive toll, so a lot of persons still use this road. Here's one of those trucks we're talking about. You see how long they are. And you're going to notice a lot of bars on this road. I have no idea why, because they're like, the parking to go to these bars is literally parking in the road. But there are so many bars on Mount Rosser. So many bars when you're coming from Linstead, Yuatan. I'm not sure why this area has so many. I mean, it's a main road, but they just have a lot more than other areas. So to the left of us now is the hill, rock. To the right of us is the hillside. So if you were to drive over there, you'll be going down a ditch. So that's why they have this retaining wall here to help prevent accidents or cars from going over. There's another bar and you can see the cars literally stopping in the road. Here's another one of those big trucks we were talking about, and that one actually has the container on the back of it. So for that truck to use the highway, they will be considered class 3, and that's the most expensive toll on the highway. So that's why they don't use the highway that often, because it's very expensive. There's another bar, seafood grill, restaurant over there as well. Sure, what is this building is on the left? It's huge though. Maybe it's an apartment building. I don't think it's a hotel though, but it's definitely huge. If anybody knows what that building was on the left that we just passed, what it's used for, let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. So at some points on the hill they have widened it where possible. This is the Mount Rosser Primary and Infant School on the right. Like if you were to take that turn off there, there's a road that leads down, and it's a very large residential community down there. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.